My name is Dan Herring. I am the General Manager of Cell Therapy Services for Thermo Fisher Scientific. We're here in our very exciting new facility in San Francisco on the UCSF campus, where we are able to do process development, analytical development, and cGMP manufacturing across multiple suites, where we can do autologous and allogeneic, multiple cell lines, multiple products at the same time due to the unique HVAC, dedicated HVAC for each suite. The unique challenge in cell therapy is speed. Speed to patient for the treatment, speed to development with the researchers. I'm actually looking across the street at the UCSF Benioff Children's Hospital and Cancer Center, where these treatments will be delivered and where there are physicians who are developing these treatments as well. I actually have a very close family friend who was treated with the CAR T treatment for myeloma last year. He was immobile and had failed multiple therapies beforehand, and it successfully brought him back, and he is now nearly fully recovered and has his mobility back. So that is a big deal for patients everywhere.